Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. Which play by George Farquhar is subtitled, A Comedy, and critiques restoration ethics? A. The Beau, Stratagem, B. The Recruiting Officer, C. Love in a Bottle, D. The Constant Couple. The right answer is option A. The Beau, Stratagem. Next question. Who wrote The Conscious Lovers, marking the rise of sentimental comedy? A. Richard Steele, B. George Lillo, C. Colley Cibber, D. John Gay. The right answer is option A. Richard Steele. Next question. The London Merchant is a domestic tragedy written by A. Edward Moore, B. George Lillo, C. Nicholas Rowe, D. Thomas Otway. The right answer is option B. George Lillo. Next question. Which 18th century play is subtitled, The Beggar's Opera? A. Polly, B. The Beggar's Wedding, C. The Beggar's Opera, D. The London Merchant. The right answer is option C. The Beggar's Opera. Next question. John Gay's The Beggar's Opera is best described as A. Heroic tragedy, B. Ballad opera, C. Sentimental comedy, D. Masque. The right answer is option B. Ballad opera. Next question. Which dramatist is associated with the decline of Restoration comedy and rise of moral drama? A. Wycherley, B. Congreve, C. Steele, D. Vanbrugh. The right answer is option C. Steele. Next question. The tragic heroine Callista appears in which play? A. Jane Shaw, B. The Fair Penitent, C. Douglas, D. Irene. The right answer is option B. The Fair Penitent. Next question. Douglas, a popular sentimental tragedy, was written by A. James Thomson, B. John Home, C. Nicholas Rowe, D. Samuel Johnson. The right answer is option B. John Home. Next question. Which 18th century dramatist also compiled lives of the poets? A. Oliver Goldsmith, B. Samuel Johnson, C. Richard Sheridan, D. David Garrick. The right answer is option B. Samuel Johnson. Next question. She Stoops to Conquer was written as a reaction against which dramatic form? A. Farce, B. Heroic drama, C. Sentimental comedy, D. Masque. The right answer is option C. Sentimental comedy. Next question. Oliver Goldsmith's dramatic theory is best explained in which essay? A. A short view of the immorality of the stage, B. An essay on the theatre, C. On the use of comedy, D. A comparison between laughing and sentimental comedy. The right answer is option D. A comparison between laughing and sentimental comedy. Next question. Which play by Sheridan features the character Sir Peter Teazle? A. The Rivals, B. The Critic, C. The School for Scandal, D. St. Patrick's Day. The right answer is option C. The School for Scandal. Next question. The character Lydia Languish appears in A. She Stoops to Conquer, B. The Rivals, C. The School for Scandal, D. The West Indian. The right answer is option B. The Rivals. Next question. Which playwright is associated with laughing comedy in the later 18th century? A. Richard Steele, B. George Lillo, C. Oliver Goldsmith, D. Edward Moore. The right answer is option C. Oliver Goldsmith. Next question. The Critic is a satirical play targeting A. Audience morality, B. Dramatic pretensions and bad playwrights, C. Political corruption, D. Court life. The right answer is option B. Dramatic pretensions and bad playwrights. Next question. Which actor-manager greatly influenced 18th century English theatre reform? A. Thomas Betterton, B. David Garrick, C. John Kemble, D. Edmund Kean. The right answer is option B. David Garrick. Next question. The Licensing Act of 1737 primarily affected A. Poets, B. Novelists, C. Dramatists, D. Essayists. The right answer is option C. Dramatists. Next question. Which play was written by Samuel Johnson? A. Cato, B. Irene, C. Douglas, D. Jane Shaw. The right answer is option B. Irene. Next question. Jane Shaw is a tragedy written by A. Nicholas Rowe, B. Thomas Otway, C. John Dryden, D. James Thomson. The right answer is option A. Nicholas Rowe. Next question. Which dramatist bridged Restoration comedy and sentimental drama? A. Congreve, B. Vanbrugh, C. Cibber, D. Wycherley. The right answer is option C. Cibber. Next question. The play The West Indian was written by A. Richard Cumberland, B. Oliver Goldsmith, C. George Coleman, D. Henry Fielding. The right answer is option A. Richard Cumberland. Next question. The dominant theatrical taste of early 18th century England leaned towards A. Absurd drama, B. Political farce. C. Moral didacticism. D. Symbolist theatre. The right answer is option C. Moral didacticism. Question for you. Which tragedy was admired for its moral dignity but criticized for lack of dramatic action? A. Cato. B. Irene. C. Douglas. D. Jane Shaw. Submit the right answer below in the comment box.